Hi, and welcome to another Wog's World of Rex. I'm Polly Woggs, and this is Smalls. Of course, you've all seen her before in our videos. Hope everybody's had a good Christmas and a good New Year. This is part of a video here for our intro that we've not done anything like this. We apologize, we've not put any videos out or anything like that for the last month and a half, 2 months. It's just been a crazy end of 2025. With Thanksgiving and Christmas, of course, we go to church. I think most of you know that, and we get into a lot of church stuff on the weekends, and especially with the holidays, there's just so much to do that we've not been able to come out here and put on videos. So it's one thing that we're getting ready to get back into now that we're heading into the new year here. And as I think I already said, but hope you all had a good Christmas and a good New Year. How about you, Esther? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you did. Did you have a good New Year?
Yeah.
Yeah. You spent it with Grandma and Grandpa, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Did you have a lot of fun there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Well, Mom and I had fun here too. We sat and we relaxed and got to watch some movies and just have a little bit of alone time. So that was always nice. But like I said, we're ready to get back into it. We've got some video footage here we're about ready to show you that was from this past year for working on the truck behind us here. I know I haven't done a truck video for a while, but we're ready to get back to the truck. We've put the Buick aside for a little while. We're going to pull that back out when spring comes. We're planning on doing another video for that one. We're going to go out and take it for a drive and do some cruising around with it. We'll take you along with our ride when we get to that one. But like I said, we're ready to start back on the truck here. We're going to pull up some footage that we had started over the summertime, right around June, July. We started doing some footage for the truck, but we kind of sat it aside because I ended up having to work on a few friends' cars here and there. And then, of course, we pulled that Buick in and did some work to that. So, like I said, in this one, we're going to head back to the truck here. We're going to start doing some work on this. So we hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. Good morning.
Sit over here.
That's heavy.
See if you can dig this seal here out.
Okay.
Pull it out of there. Okay. We'll set this aside for the moment.
Shaft.
Yes, grab that shaft right there. Yep.
Looks like a fan, and that looks like a fan.
And there's a seal down here that needs to come off. You see it there? It's got a little gap in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We'll use that same tool there. Okay. Let's open up this bag of new things. Okay, now, we don't want to damage this, so we need to be really careful. So just take and, if you can, spread that apart just a little bit and start to try to work it down, okay?
Okay.
Here, I'll get it started. Because that's going to be tough, because it was tough for me to get off, so. There, I got it started. Now you just push it down and get it into that little groove.
Okay.
Is it too tough?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. You got a couple blocks of wood?
Yeah, I'll go get some.
Bring 4 pieces of wood, the smallest pieces you've got.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I have 4 small pieces.
All right, perfect. Now what I want you to do is I want you to set 2 on one side, 2 on the other, leaving a small gap in the middle. Right over here. Yeah, there you go. All right, why don't you go ahead and pick that up and sit down in there?
Hey, Daddy,
Yes, Esther.
may I go see if my sandbox is dry enough?
Yeah.
A tea break.
All right.
Well, unfortunately, that was all the video footage that we had to be able to put a video together to get one out, since we hadn't done one for a long time. And I apologize, this is a shorter video. The next one definitely will be a little bit longer, especially now that we're back on the truck. But you can see that we made a bit of progress there. We got the turbo rebuilt, and there was even a few other things that was done that I didn't have video footage. Tavion had come over a couple of weekends over the summer, was still working with us. He's no longer working with us now, but he had painted a lot of the front end parts. He got the drive shafts painted, and some of the shafts there as well that are part of the drive shaft in the front. He painted the backing plates and the steering knuckles and everything for the front end. He got a lot of that done for me, which I thought was a really big help. Glad he was there to do that. And we've been purchasing parts as well. Been stocking up on parts for the truck. We've got a lot of the exhaust stuff here. We've got hoses, belts, turbo related stuff. I've got brake booster, brake master cylinder. We got upper, lower ball joints. We got all the U-joints and everything up here to put the drive shafts back together and get those in. We've got one electrical harness. We've got some shocks. So we've got quite a few parts in reserve, ready to be put on the truck. So we are definitely ready to get we're definitely ready to get onto this thing to try to get a lot of more work done. Again, we're happy that the new year's here and that we're going to be able to maybe get a lot more of this truck done. We're hoping to actually get this truck finished this year. So we'll just have to see how it goes in between working on friends' cars and doing things here and there and whatnot. We try to get out here at least once a month to get a video done. If not, we're going to try to maybe do it every couple of weeks, which is our goal. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, sorry it was short. But thanks for subscribing and for being a member, and we hope that we can get a lot more out this year and that you'll have a lot more to enjoy in the future with our videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe, and we'll continue to see you as the new year goes. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, boy.
Turn around here for a second. A little bit of hair sticking up there. Let's see if we can. Not that it matters too much. There you go. That's much better. Do you want to say welcome to another Wog's World of Rex, or do you want me to say that part? You have trouble saying Wog's World of Rex? All right. Make a smile. A natural smile. There you go. It's okay that you laugh. That's the point. It's to have fun. Okay, you ready, kiddo? All right.